Today's video is all about traveling in your RV with cats. Hey there, Wanders. This is our beautiful kitty, Kita. So we've been full-timing for about 3.5, going on 4 years now, and our cat has been with us the entire time.
So we do get a lot of questions of how difficult is it actually to full-time RV with a cat?
Yeah, people want to know, where do you keep the litter box? You know, where do you put their food? Is it safe to travel with a cat in an RV? Well, we're going to answer all those questions for you today. So let's get going. So one of our biggest concerns while traveling with our cat is her safety. As you all know, we often worry about, is the power on when we're gone from the RV? Is it getting too hot? Is it getting too cold? We also work 12-hour shifts, so we're gone 12 hours at a time, and we want to make sure that she's safe while we're gone. So we have two solutions that we use to make us feel much more at ease. So the first thing that we use that puts us to ease when we're not at home is this little guy. It's called a temp stick. It basically monitors the temperature and the humidity levels in our RV at all times for us. So this thing basically connects to our internet source. We have downloaded an app onto our phones, and we were able to set alarms so it will notify us anytime the temperature gets too high or too low. That way, if there's something going on, we know we can come back and check on the cat. So the second thing that we use to ensure that our cat is safe while we're gone is this guy. This is a pet cube. So again, it connects to the internet, and we've downloaded an app to our phone, and we can go online and connect to it, and it has a camera so we can actually watch what our cat is doing while we're gone. It also has a laser light so we can actually run it around and play with the cat, and it has audio so we can talk to her.
So next up is the dreaded litter box. So one pro tip, while you're looking for an RV, if you plan on traveling full-time with a cat, make sure you scope out places to put a litter box ahead of time. So we've actually heard of some people putting their litter box inside of their shower. Unfortunately, in our Airstream, it's not a viable option. Number one, because we keep our dirty clothes hamper in there. And number two, when you open up the door, it blocks the hallway. But depending on your situation in RV, it might work for you. So fortunately in this Airstream we actually had room for cat furniture, at least one piece. So this litter box actually already has a door cut in the front. The door opens for easy cleaning access, and it also doubles as extra storage space. So this piece of cat furniture kind of works twofold.
So we already mentioned pet safety while you are stopped in a location, but what about pet safety when you are moving from one location to the next? Well, you should never, ever, ever leave your pets unattended inside a travel trailer or a fifth wheel. Obviously, Class A's and Class C's, you're with your pet and it's safe for them to travel with you there. So fortunately for us, our cat has done really well traveling from day one. However, you may want to take your cat out on a trial run and see how they do before you take them on a very long trip. And if you are on a long trip, it's always a good idea to give them a break as well. You have to go to the bathroom, and so do they. So we often will stop for lunch, and we will transport her back into the RV, and she can hang out there with us while we're eating, and she can do what she needs to do.
So while this next thing isn't exactly RV specific, our cat actually developed a bad habit of drinking from the faucet anytime it's on. So now she used to hop up on the counter and meow, meow, meow until someone would turn on the faucet for her. So we actually bought one of these little pet fountains. It helps keep the water circulated, it helps keep it fresher, and it also entices them to drink more water.
As far as veterinarians on the road, we've actually had really good luck. Anytime that we have needed to have our cat vaccinated or just a checkup, we've been able to get into local veterinarians very easily, and they're always very helpful and supportive. So just give them a call, and most of the time they can get you in pretty quick. If you're interested in any of the products that we discussed in this video today, we will put our affiliate links in the description below. right, so we hope you enjoyed meeting Kita, and we hope that you found this video helpful. Cats are a lot of fun to travel with, and we'd certainly miss her if she wasn't out here on the road with us.
The important thing is that they're happy and safe. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel as of yet, now's a good time to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the little bell for a notification anytime Kita comes out with a new episode.
Yeah, so she may have more episodes coming out in the very near future. We aren't sure.
And if you do have a question or comment for Kita, leave it below.
Yeah, she'd love to know, like, what do you do to keep your kitties happy on the road? And if you have any suggestions how she might be happier, she'd be appreciative of that.
All right, Wanderers, that's going to do it for this episode. And until next time, stay wonderful.
Meow, meow.